In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to download superstars in WWE 2K25. So in order to download any superstar, firstly we need to go to the online tab, and under it we need to go to community creations, and now go to downloads, and you will find different types of content you can download on your game. So I want to download the superstars, that's why I need to select superstar from here, and then it will load all of the uploaded superstars by community creators, and you can open any superstar and download it on your game. So you can see Goldberg here, John Moxley as well, Edge is here as well. You can download any superstar you want. If you want to search for a specific superstar or celebrity, then you can use this key for searching any custom superstar or any custom celebrity. For that, just use this Y key on your Xbox controller, and then make sure to select superstars from here. Then go to the bottom and select #1, and now go to custom option from here and enter any celebrity name or superstar name which you want to download. Currently I don't want to download any custom superstar, that's why I'm going back from here. You can also change the page here. You can see 4001 pages are here. That means that multiple superstars are uploaded by community creators, and the page can be switched by using this key combination. And you can see the superstars on my second page. You can similarly repeat the process for switching your page. And now I want to download this Sin Cara on the third page. So to download it, firstly we need to select him and then go to download and download this superstar on your game. Once you download its content, go back to your home page and start a match. So I want to start a normal one-on-one match here, and then under it we just need to filter it by S, and the Sin Cara will be here. So we just need to scroll down here, and you can see the Sin Cara has been downloaded successfully on my game. So this is the complete process to download any superstar on your WWE 2K25. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.